Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you a method step by step from which you can just remove the negative review from any of your listing or from your Amazon store. So believe me guys, this method literally works for me many times and I almost got my negative review 1-star review removed every time whenever I request a removal for it. So with the help of this method, you can just get rid from 1-star reviews from your Amazon listing or from your Amazon store within minutes. So to learn this method, you have to watch this video till the end because in this video I'm going to be explaining the whole process step by step. So keep on watching. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you're interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm on Amazon.com and I have opened a product which is bamboo cutting board. So first of all, we need to understand the difference between the product reviews and the store feedback. And then we will see how we can request a removal for it. So when you click on this one, so we will be navigate to the reviews. So you can see that the 4.6 star rating is the rating of the review for this product. And these are the percentage of reviews, like this product is having 78% 5-star reviews and 3% 1-star review. So if I click on this one, so you can see that right now we are seeing all the 1-star review this product gets. So these are the product reviews. But if we go back, so as you can see under the title, the store name is Highwear. And when I go down and on the right side, I can see sold by Highwear Direct. So I have to click on this one to see the store feedback. And you can see that all these are feedback are for the store. So which means if you got a 1-star review on your product, that means it is a defect of your product or it is a fault of your product that the customer is not satisfied by the product. But if you are getting a 1-star review on your store, that means customer is not satisfied by the service or the delivery or any other thing, but he is satisfied with the product. So when I go down, you can see that these all reviews are a 5-star for the store. And when I click on next, so these all are also 5-star, like excellent, loved it, nice quality. And if I click on next, so you can see that at the last we are having a 1-star review, and you can see that this 1-star review was removed. You can see that this review was cancelled with my permission and never got my package, and this review is being removed. You can see a cross line on that review. That means Amazon have already removed this review, and under that you can see a message from Amazon. This item was fulfilled by Amazon and we take responsibility for this fulfillment experience. After reading this review, we can understand that this person ordered that product and he never received the parcel. So that means this was a mistake of Amazon, and here Amazon agreed that mistake. So Amazon basically removed the review and cancelled that review with a cross line, and this review is also not participating in the calculation of overall rating. So that means this review is nothing to do with the overall rating. The overall rating are still good. So as you can see here, after requesting a review removal, your review will be removed like this. So now the question is how you can appeal for that review removal. So for that, you need to go on Amazon Seller Central, and from there you can see multiple tabs here, and from the performance tab you can click on feedback. And after clicking on feedback, you will be able to see all the feedback here, negative, positive or neutral. And when you go down, so you will be able to see all the feedback here. You can see that all rating, if I click on positive, so I will be only able to see positive rating, and if I click on negative, so here I can see negative ratings. So you can see that I have only got 2 negative rating on this account and both of them are removed. So I basically request Amazon to remove them before making this video, and Amazon has already removed these reviews. So by navigating this page and by clicking on negative, you will be able to see all your negative reviews. And when you click on drop down menu from here, so you can just click on request removal from here, and Amazon will remove your review within minutes. So you can see that I'm not able to see the request removal button here because I've already removed that reviews. But if you go here and click on this drop down menu, so you will be able to see that request review button because your review will be still there. So if I click on positive and then I click on drop down here, so you can see that request removal button is here. So this button you will be able to see on your negative review if you have not removed that. So when you click on request review button, you can just tell the main issue to Amazon, like why you got this review and it's not your fault. So if Amazon thinks that it's not your fault, then your review will be removed shortly. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you have learned something good from it. So if you really like the video, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video so you can watch similar videos like this in the future. And if you want to ask any question from me about your e-commerce business, then you can just chat with me anytime from the link in the description below. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.